So here we are. Here I am. There you are. And yeah. So what's been up? How are you? How's been things, tricks and stuff? I know. Okay. I know I've not been here for a while. And yeah, much like a lot of people, much like you, I'm sure, I've just been doing a lot of stuff. Work, more work, looking after my mum, and a whole bunch of other things that then I found that took me away from this, from you. And I know at the time, I think the last sort of video I did was about the Wooja, that god-awful vest. And I promised sort of in the videos prior to that, that I would do more videos. And yeah, we know what happened there. So here we are. Is this another point where I make another promise and that I'm going to do more videos? Well, let me throw this at you and see if any of this sticks and makes you excited. And if it does, fabulous, great, and we'll move on. If not, you know, balls to it, really. There's not a lot I can do. If you don't like it, you can't make everyone happy. In my 51 years, I'm fully aware that's the case. So, what's been happening? Why am I back? What is different? And yeah, what's going to be happening next? Well, there's some fundamental things that have changed. We've signed to a new network called Ritual, who are going to help me help you by producing better content and making the channel what it could be. I think it really could be something. I've always thought that. We've been going almost 3 years now. And we've only got 10,000 subscribers, which is quite tragic, really. But we can improve on that. You know, I'm aiming for 20,000 this year. That's our goal. So, you know, if you can help me help do that, fabulous. You may have noticed that maybe some of the production values have increased. In terms of that, we've got some sexy new gear that's allowed me to make things better for you. Previously, I would use either my phone. I've got an S21, by the way, ultra fabulous, awesome. But now, or a webcam. Now I'm using proper lighting. We got decent lighting, and we've got a decent 4K DSLR camera. Why do I feel like I said that wrong? Anyway, all of those allow me to create something that's a bit better. Whether the content's going to be better, at least it'll look pretty. In terms of what the content will be coming up, there'll be more how-tos. I think how-tos are good. People want to know how to do stuff. I predominantly go to YouTube to find out how to do X, Y, or Z, or Z. Or to watch kittens or people fall over. Usually one of those. But the other thing is, sort of how-tos. The first one will be based on the projector I got. I've not really done anything on that, so it's an ultra short throw 4K projector. And I've had that for 9 months, and I'm going to show you how to get the best picture from that, things to consider, what to do, what not to do, and yeah, so that'll be cool and groovy, and I hope you'll like that. And we'll do other videos like that too. Of course, we'll maybe throw in a few Samsung TV videos that seem to what started this channel, but there's also a lot of hi-fi stuff you can't see behind me because it's all sexy blurred out. And other things too, as well as, you know, the occasional rant, because I have been known to get a bit feisty about certain things. So there'll be some comments made. Yeah, be prepared. So that's where we are. So I hope you're well. And in that regard, I want to know how you're doing. How are you? How are you feeling? Let me know in the comments below. Don't just say, hey man, nice to see you, or worse still, nothing at all. I know the three of you watching this are probably going to want to say something. So say it to me below. It'd be good to hear from you. Just to say, have a bit of a chat. Even if you just want to say you're a dick, that's fine by me. You're entitled to your opinion, and I'm sure I will think the same of you. Till then, look out for the upcoming video, which will probably be out next week, on how to get the best from an ultra short throw projector. Do's and don'ts. There's a lot of big do's. And there's a few don'ts. And we'll take it from there, shall we? So all things are good. New tech, new gadgets, new stuff to make me, well, not even remotely sexy, but at least the videos look a little bit better. And a new network that's going to help me, help you. And yeah, see how we get on. It's cool. And we're aiming for 20,000 subscribers this year. So, you know, if you can help me, that'll be wonderful. That'll be really great. So if you've not subscribed, subscribe. If you've not given it a thumbs up, you can give it a thumbs down. You know, all those sorts of things. Just comment, let me know. But anyway, comment below. Let's have a bit of a chat. I want to see how you are. I just want to know. Hope you're doing okay. Hope you're keeping safe and sane. And I'll see you in the next video, which will be coming up next week. Let's make it next week. So I'll see you next week. Yeah, it was very Morecambe and Wise, wasn't it? Take care. Love you loads. Bye-bye.